In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Amazon customer service. We'll start right on the Amazon homepage. Open your web browser and go to Amazon.com. If you're automatically redirected to a different regional site, that's fine. Just make sure you're on the Valderslid version where your account and orders live. If you aren't already signed in, you may be prompted to do so. Being signed in helps Amazon pull up your orders and account details faster, which can speed up support. Once the homepage loads, move your mouse to the top right of the screen and hover over the account area. On desktop, this is usually labeled Account and Lists. Hovering, rather than clicking immediately, opens a helpful menu that gives you quick access to various account tools. If you don't see it right away, give the page a second to load or zoom out slightly so the top navigation is fully visible. From that hover menu, click on Account. This takes you to your main account dashboard where you'll see tiles for your orders, returns, addresses, payment options, and more. Even if you plan to talk to customer service, it's useful to glance at your recent orders here. Having an order number or the item name ready can help you explain your issue clearly when you reach support. On the account page, look for the customer service link and click it. Depending on layout, it may also appear as Help or Help in Customer Service. This brings you into Amazon's Help Hub, which organizes support topics and routes you to the best place for your issue. Inside the Help Hub, choose the option labeled Something Else. This path is especially helpful if your situation doesn't neatly fit into default categories like returns or delivery problems. It opens up additional topic choices so you can be more specific about what you need. Next, select the issue that best matches why you want to talk to customer service. You'll see a range of example topics, things like account or login questions, payment or charges, Prime membership, or other issues not listed. Pick the one that's closest to your situation. This isn't a final commitment, it just helps Amazon present the most relevant guidance and the right next steps for your case. After you choose a topic, Amazon will guide you toward resources tailored to that issue and, when appropriate, options to connect with support. Before you proceed, have key details handy, such as your order number and a short summary of the problem. Keep your explanation clear and concise, and avoid sharing sensitive information like full card numbers. And that's it. Follow these steps to get to the right place for help on Amazon.